Hello and welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This is John. In this video, I'll explain how to sign up for our free pronunciation correction course. The course allows you to listen to segments of a drama and then practice your pronunciation by recording your voice and have us listen to your recording and give you comments. The sign-up process is rather complicated, so please follow the steps closely. First, from your computer, go to cctalk.com. Then click on the Register 注册 button on the top right corner. You'll be prompted with this box. Tap on the WeChat logo to log in with WeChat. Then you're going to get this QR code. It says Scan with WeChat, follow CC Talk service account to log in. So you just open WeChat, go to your main screen and go to the top right corner and tap the plus symbol and then tap 扫一扫 or scan. After scanning the QR code, you will get this screen. Tap on the follow button on the top right corner, 关注. As soon as you have followed their account, you are automatically logged in on their website. Your profile picture will be displayed on the top right corner. After you're logged in, go back to your phone, open WeChat, go to scan and scan this QR code. This is the QR code for the course. After you scan the QR code, you will get this screen. Just tap on the blue button that says 免费报名 or enroll for free. Now here's the confusing part. You'll be prompted another QR code on screen. The reason for them to do this is because this QR code expires every 7 days. So in order to get around this expiration date, they've created a QR code that generates a QR code. So when you're prompted with this round QR code on your phone, what you do is you press and hold on that QR code and you will get this. You'll get a little pop-up menu, and then what you have to do is tap on Dakaya. This will launch a mini program within your WeChat. The mini program looks like this. First, you'll see a walking duck, and then you'll be prompted that you're already enrolled in the course. You can tap on this button that says Expand Full Text, 展开全文. After viewing the video and after reviewing the content below the video, you can then tap on this blue button that says 点我去打卡, tap me to check in. Check in means to complete this task. That means to record. At this point, Dakaya wants to use your nickname, profile picture, region, and gender, so just press agree, 允许. Then you're prompted with a submission screen. Hit record. Then it says Dakaya wants to use your microphone. Tap 允许. Then start recording the dialogue that I'll show you in the video. After you're finished, tap 完成. It says uploading your audio. After the audio is uploaded, you can then listen back and see if you like the audio or not. If you don't like it, simply remove it and re-record. If you like it, then you can click on 提交打卡, submit check-in. At this point, your submission is complete. Dakaya then wants you to turn on your notification, yada yada. And then you'll be prompted with a poster that allows you to share it to your social accounts. If you want, you can share it. If not, simply tap the close button on the top right corner. Then you can go back to the course main page. And that is how you sign up with Dakaya and complete our pronunciation course. And that's everything. Thanks for watching and see you in the course.